Hair 20-inch closure, and then 22, 24, 26, 28-inch bundles. So this is ready to be super long, y'all. I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze, sorry. I think I'm gonna just open one. Hey everyone, welcome. Honestly, is probably the hardest thing for me to do. Like, I love to do strength training, but running, like, I just can't do it. I thought I would just show you that because everyone always makes fun of my sneeze. And it has a little fringe at the bottom. It also has these cute brown buttons, and I wrinkled it. Okay, so it just looks like this.
Вот это вот турецкая марка. Друзья. Прошу прощения. Заранее спасибо всем, кто пожелал здоровья.
Yeah, and not a whole lot of water. Like our water.
Here, just put it into the coffee cup.
Scrape it off the top. Oh no.
Oh no.
Shit! It's everywhere!
Maybe it'll work. Here is the workout set. The top actually does fit good. I thought it was gonna be too big, but it fits pretty perfectly. This shirt,
you know, a nutritionist, this is just what is working for me, and a lot of you have asked, and maybe you found something that works for you. I'm gonna sneeze. But maybe you haven't.
Everything's really pricey. Boning, is it? I don't know. I feel like that's a rude word as well. I'm feeling it, I'm not gonna lie. I've honestly loved everything. Like, if I lifted my arms up right now, then... Hold up your C's, actually. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Our Goofy is the one on the chains and he's like tripping over his chains. Can we please watch the video? Christmas Cole.
Sneeze.
Okay. Why is your hair all over me? My eye is watering so much.
In the back, that is amazing. I am so much for... I need to sneeze. Bless myself. Sorry for that interruption. I am all about sports